So today, fellas, we gonna check out this custom built fucking sawmill. So I got these places we could put these ramps in. Basically kind of like at a 45-degree angle. And then we got this winch set up here. Set it up right, put the pin in. Then you can use this winch to actually help you pull it up. So you don't gotta lift the logs up itself. Just plugs in right over here. This whole thing is pretty interesting though. This is all custom built. Got these two sets of wheels that we put this blade on, I guess. Saw. I don't fucking know. But yeah, it basically gets spun by this motor through this pulley system. Which you gotta kind of custom modify. That piece is a little broken, but it's working. And then it gets spun up by that motor. And he got all this electrical shit added in to get all these switches to work. This is literally the startup panel. Got his choke. I'm guessing he pulls this a little bit every once in a while. Yeah, it's the old John Deere motor. This was the watering system for the blade, but he said don't do too much, so he doesn't use it. Yeah, good old John Deere motor. Got this rope system here that's connected somehow to these wheels, and it basically lifts this whole deck up and down. I'm gonna start it up, show y'all what I'm talking about. So we go start. Manually operated, you gotta push it. Glides along these wheel and rail system basically. All manual operated here. But yeah, this is what I was talking about. Let's get the electrical on. Lifts or lowers the deck according to where you're trying to cut it. Turn that shit off. Guy built this himself. And we're making some nice looking pieces. It's all this pile of fucking logs. Been slowly digging into. There's this tractor too. We've been making these guys here. See, a bunch of nice little cut pieces. Got some fatter slabs too. Got some 8x8 posts. Been cutting out. And a bunch of fucking slabs. And just like little offcuts. Yeah, this is an old ass truck he sent from the 60s. Still runs well though. It's a little janky. It's all manual. Got a whole fucking gearbox and shit, but it's not 4x4, so that kind of sucks.